Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we have another watch from AVI. It is the AVI Hawker Harrier 2, the Matador edition. Very cool, unique design. This watch is going on a tour. I'll leave links to the channels below in that tour. Please be sure to check them out. Excuse me. This is the model number AV 406501, and I believe it's running a Miyota quartz chronograph movement. I know for sure it's a Japanese quartz chronograph movement. I'm not sure in the Miyota, but I'm going to say that it doesn't specify it on the website. Hey, very, very cool dial design indeed. Because I got the tachymeter around the outside of the dial. Very nice. I love that. Date window at the 12 o'clock position. A 1/20th second scale at the 3 o'clock position. We'll just turn that on right now and let you look at that. How cool is that? It has a standard second counter at the 6 o'clock position. You can see that ticking away down there. And a 60-minute counter at the 9 o'clock position. So let's stop this chronograph and reset it. If you noticed, well, I'm doing this video on the 3rd, but I was messing around with this. So if you pull the crown out and check out those gears moving in there when you change that date. Yeah, I was having fun playing with that. I thought you'd like to look at it too. Pretty unique, pretty cool looking watch. Also has very nice knurling on the crown, nice crown protectors, and the knurling on the pushers, which is very, very interesting and very cool looking, I might add. Very nice lume on this guy. I'm going to throw a shot up for you there. Check that out. And it does have a stainless steel case, brushed and polished, very well done. Nice polishing on the side, little brush around the outer bezel there. Very, very nice. Just really cool looking. Nice case back. I love that case back. The Hawker Harrier around it, the model number, and the water resistance, which is 50 meters. This guy comes with a really, really nice green leather straps. I think they offer other colors. You might want to check out their website. Nice AVI logo in the buckle, brushed. Very nice stitching, nice keepers. It is a thick leather strap, but very comfortable on the wrist and pliable for sure. Very, very comfortable on the wrist. Genuine leather. Yeah. Very good strap for sure. This watch has a 45 millimeter diameter case, 52 millimeter lug tip to lug tip, 15 millimeters thickness, and a 22 millimeter bandwidth, which is very cool. And let's get this on the wrist so you guys can see a wrist shot. Okay guys, there you have it on my 7¼ inch wrist. Looks very sharp. Love the color combos, the blue and white, and that see-through skeleton style dial is just looking very, very good. Hey, that's my short look at the AV8 Hawker Harrier. Hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you're having a great day. Stay well.